A Phuthong biography. Hello guys, welcome to watch my videos, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next videos. The King Khmer Kick-boxing of Cambodia, A Phuthong, also we can call A Phuthang, was born in 1975, is a Khmer professional kickboxer and former reality TV host. His place of birth in Mondal Sama district, Phuthong province, in Cambodia. A Phuthong currently lives in Phnom Penh. He has a father is named Yem Lim and a mother is named Aduth. And he also has a brother and a sister. A Phuthong began learning traditional Khmer kickboxing at age 12 with Mr. Youth Phuthong in the 1980s, who then is hold the position of Kray Veng provincial governor, but now he moved to held the position of Phuthong province governor. A Phuthong had his first Khmer traditional kickboxing contest at the age of 17. He initially began fighting at the 48 kg weight class and then moved to the 63 kg weight class. His current weight is around 82 kg. During his growing up he did not have access to education at school because he was either working jobs to support his family or training in his passion of Khmer kickboxing. He has also trained with Chit Saram at the Ministry of Defense Boxing Club. A Phuthong now has own gym and boxing club, which name is A Phuthong Tonle Basak Club. He also have a younger brother which is name Auth Phuthong, is the famous kickboxer in Cambodia too. In recent years, A Phuthong has explored media opportunities outside the ring. He has starred in 2 Khmer language action films and was the co-host of CTN's highly rated reality show, Kun Khmer Champion. Finalist, I Kosal, is a boxer from 7NG A Phuthong Boxing Club. He is also capable of speaking Thai as well as Khmer. He reached the semi-final in the first S1 championship in Thailand, defeating ex-Rafi from Spain and losing in the second round, up to the eventual tournament champion Surya Plonchit. He has expressed an interest in wanting to fight with John Wayne Park, that he recently won a bronze medal in Western boxing at the 2009 Southeast Asian Games in Laos. Thank you for watching our videos. We will create the best videos more, so please subscribe my channel and click on notifications for the next videos.